Now, despite a game-high 19 points from Umar Dixon, York Castle couldn't keep Herbert Morrison at bay as they went down 2-0 in their best-of-3 ISSA Western Basketball Under-19 final at the Montego Bay Boys Club. After taking Game 1 on Tuesday, Herbert Morrison wasted little time in making their intentions clear of ending the series in 2 games. They were 19-12 up after the first quarter and led 33-29 at the half before the Montegonians opened up in the second half to race away 74-58 winners. Anthony Thorpe had 16 points for Herbert Morrison and was supported by Davon Campbell with 13. Desmond Pinnock scored 18 to support Dixon for York Castle.
Considering Game 1 how the game was closed in the first half, we had to make sure we take that lead and hold on to that lead throughout the game so we don't have to struggle within the closing quarters of the game.
But there will be a Game 3 in the Under-16s as St. James High rebounded from their Game 1 defeat to beat Herbert Morrison 61-55. It was all going Herbert Morrison's way as they ran out front with an 18-15 first quarter lead. The lead got wider at the half as Herbert Morrison closed out 33-26. However, St. James found renewed spirit to outscore Herbert Morrison 15-11 in the third quarter and 20-7 in the fourth to send the series into a third and deciding game. Kimani Welch led the way for St. James High with a game-high 31 points, while Kyle Fraser had the most for Herbert Morrison.
We made some clinical errors in the last part of the game, so this game we were more focused. We decided that we're not going to play their type of game set and do what we know that we do best, and that is taking the ball to the rim.
I think the last 3 minutes of the game, we started to turn over the ball. We wasn't aggressive when we're attacking the basket, and we started turning over the ball, and St. James started to capitalize.